Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to day 2 of Phil
Andy's
travel spree aboard the Carnival VENEZIA on the Melanin at Sea 1.5 group cruise. Now, as you can tell, we got our Melanin at Sea shirts on, so you can tell it's already the first sea day. We got tons of things going on today. It's going to be a jam-packed event day. Hey, make sure you stay tuned. Don't go anywhere because we got some content for you on this video.
Yep.
Stay tuned. Alright, what's up, y'all? I'm finally getting out of the cabin today. D and PJ, they actually went ahead of me. Rain and Royce are actually hosting an event. If you don't know who Rain and Royce is, so Rain and Royce, Rich and Jazz's daughters, they're actually holding an event for the kids today. It's called Kids and Crocs. So they went to deck 12 for that event, so D's going to be getting footage from that. I'm more of a breakfast person. They're not, so I'm going to go get charged up, get some breakfast in me, and then I'll probably meet up with them a little later.
So, we didn't make it to the Crocs Majigga because couldn't get up there. Could we find it? No, besides. We couldn't find how to get up there. Then we had to go up some stairs. Clearly, we're in a stroller, so I can't get him the stroller and everything up the stairs. By the time we even found some stairs to get up to, it was 10:30 already. It's done. So we were looking some.
You can barely open those eyes.
I know, I barely opened my eyes this morning. So how you feel? You all right?
No,
Why?
because we could have been here. We could have been here.
Y'all tried. You did try. You tried your best.
We did.
But the thing is, like, nobody really knows the ship, so nobody's been on it. And like, we've even asked direction from some of the room attendants or the room stewards, especially like when we went to dining last night, and like they gave us the wrong direction. There's Peter from my cruising family. But yeah, so we found it, and then we didn't even bring swimming trunks, so we messed up. But PJ's not even in the mood to play anyway, so
We have to come back.
yeah, we got to come back. We got tons of other events lined up anyway, so make sure y'all keep watching.
Everybody's gonna say, Kids and Crocs! 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 Melanin at sea, it's the melanin for me. What you say? Melanin at sea, it's the melanin for me.
Alright, so we managed to find the event within the last 10 minutes of it. Kids was running around, Rain and Royce were giving gifts to all the kids for their Crocs, what's the little things you stick in the Croc? Giblets, that's what it is, thank you. So right now, nobody is eating. I went to Tomodoro's, it was closed. So right now we're going to see their brunch, and then hopefully we can get this guy's attitude in check. And hopefully he's in a much better mood later. Alright guys, so we have made it to Sea Day Brunch. For those of you that don't know, Sea Day Brunch is in the Canal Grande dining room. Now this is the dining room that has the famous gondola that y'all been seeing in all the other vlogs. And it does look like the Venetian Hotel in Las Vegas. So as far as the aesthetics, I mean, it's pure Venice, Italy. Now this dining room is also the place, if you have any time or my time dining, this is where you're going to eat. But if not, where we ate last night, if you have assigned dining, like early and late dining, that is in the Marco Polo dining room. But if you do have assigned dining, you come here for Sea Day Brunch. They also do have lunch options here in this dining room as well. So they give you plenty of chances to come in here, you know, so you can see, you know, what it looks like here. And in my opinion, this is the better looking dining room.
And I get the French toast with brunch potatoes,
Brunch potato.
pork link sausage, pancakes, fruit.
Also Takeover.
I'll do the Voyage burger.
Oh, it's bro. Thank you so much.
Me, I can rock you well. And I know for sure
Look at her singing, y'all.
I should be your girl.
This, you know, this don't count as the karaoke,
count.
right? No. This does not count. Look, I told you she be singing a little harder.
Yeah, to myself, in the shower, in my car.
You just singing to us.
Well, y'all don't count. Y'all hear me singing all the time.
Okay. Hey, that show is coming, and best believe we gonna take you.
Y'all gotta be my backup.
Whew. All right. All right. We get a smile now? We get a smile? Let me see. Smile. Ah, yeah.
So I don't know if the footage of me and PJ walking around being lost will be inserted. However, y'all knew we was gonna go find some breakfast, brunch, something to eat because we didn't know where to go. So after we ran into Phil, we just went on up to the thing and still haven't eaten, right? So it's like, okay, let's do some C-Day brunch. That was about 11 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. We got in here about 11:20. And as you can see, we only have drinks. I mean, PJ got a croissant and some fruit, but I mean, we're still waiting. It took a while for our order to get taken. I ordered a mimosa. Still haven't received that. We really don't see wait staff until they come and get your water, come and take your order, come and bring your food, and that's it. So I don't know if they're like short-staffed or what's happening, but you know, we're not used to this. We're used to like the fast pace, like you get it, you come in, you eat, you go. It's not really a lot of people in here. Well, up here, I don't know about downstairs, but it doesn't seem like it's really a lot of people. We were sitting next to this nice couple who said that they had been waiting about 20 to 30 minutes before their order was even taken. So if you come to C-Day brunch, be prepared to wait a while.
Oh, you turned up now. Look, I told you he switch on you. Where that attitude at? It's gone, ain't it? You good?
Yeah.
All right. Clearly, he must take after his mama.
Oh, because you said I got the attitude?
When she hungry, she ain't the brightest crayon in the box. Not the ooh, that sounded bad. Oh no, you not stupid. She's not the. No.
I ain't trying to keep it cordial.
She's not the most happiest person when she's hungry either. Oh, my bad.
So, don't come back and apologize.
No, see, y'all
don't come back and apologize.
Nah, I just don't want them to think I just be talking about you all bad like that. Look, my coffee ain't kicked in yet. That's what it was. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Look, if y'all just see me vlogging later, if it's just me, y'all know why.
He got kicked out the room. I'm gonna change the locks.
I'll be sleeping on the lead up deck. So I said I was sorry. You forgive me?
Give me 3 to 5 business days.
3 to 5 business days? And it's the weekend too?
Before your return, your request is granted.
That's how you gonna do me?
I don't know, I'm not the brightest crayon in the
You don't love me? You act like I'm just one of your little work friends.
I work for myself, so I don't even have friends at work.
Ooh, when I tell you it's a journey being with this woman.
What's the journey?
It is. Marriage is a journey. Should she forgive me, y'all? She know I didn't mean that.
Do we know that he didn't mean that?
Yeah, they know. Come on now. Hey. Drop it in the comment section. Say forgive Phil, or what was saying?
3 to 5 business days.
Yeah, 3 to 5 business days will forgive Phil. Y'all put it in the comment section. Cold. Nah, look at her. Nah, she was just over me. Don't do that. Yeah, she must have forgave me, y'all. Y'all see that she was just over me. Don't be acting fake for the camera. Don't do that. You're right. Tell her, PJ. Say yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Ooh.
Sorry, I didn't forgive you.
Nah, don't do that.
I didn't. Even more so, time is added to your sentence.
Why? Because I
wasn't
caught you trying to love on me.
I do love you.
I said love on me.
I do love you. I just don't forgive you.
Alright, it is now 2 o'clock on board. We're actually getting ready to head up to deck 3 to take our Melanin at sea picture. One thing we forgot to tell y'all, if y'all traveling out of New York and going to Bermuda, you actually lose an hour. So you got to move your clock up 1 extra hour. And so what's really 1 o'clock in New York is actually 2 o'clock on ship time. So just keep that in mind. Yo, it is absolutely crazy. Like, this is the first time seeing all 300 people together. Like, this is like the perfect spot to take a picture on the ship. Like, we have people from floor deck 3, deck 4, all the way up to deck 5. Like, we literally just took over this bar area, and it's just beautiful just to kind of see everybody coming together. You know, and before that, there were connections being made, there were relationships being made. It's just a dope environment. Really, really dope environment. I'm telling you now, if you missed the first Melanin at Sea group cruise and the 1.5 group cruise, get signed up for the 2.0. Get signed up for the 2.5. Like the vlogs don't, honestly, the vlogs don't do it any justice. The vlogs just do not do this trip any justice. It's just something you have to experience for yourself. Again, thank you, Rich and Jazz. Thank you, Addie and Terry, for this amazing opportunity. Like, look, we got other people here just checking us out to see what we got going on. The buzz is definitely out. The buzz is definitely out. So if you're watching this and if you don't know, if you're curious of what Melanin at Sea is, join us on the Facebook group. We'll drop the link down in the description box for you. Just click on it, check us out. Like I said, we're about 72,000 strong on the Facebook group.
Melanin at sea, it's the melanin for me. Melanin at sea, it's the melanin for me.
Look at who we got. Hey, it's the new kids on the block. JB Odyssey. Finally, nice to meet you guys. What's up? Your favorite couple in his house. The Texas Connect. What's going on?
How many numbers you got last night?
I ain't getting no numbers.
Tearing it down in that club, I heard. Serenading.
I didn't record it. People just happened to be.
And they still made it out. You ain't recorded nothing. Everybody that came up to me and said something.
Yeah, she mad at me again. What you mad at me for?
It is what it is. Throwing them at you.
Huh?
Got them dropping the draws for
Ain't
you.
nobody dropping no
Throwing it.
draws. She like, look, okay, look.
Yeah, it literally is like some spots don't hurt at all.
I'm a big Lenny Williams fan because I love you.
And the ladies man.
Not a ladies man.
Ooh, ladies man.
The song came on in the club last night, and I just sung the song last night.
Serenade.
I didn't record it. I'm sure it's all over. Some people put it on their Instagram story.
I gotta go look.
It's probably on somebody's blog. I know I'm out there looking crazy, but she just act like I'm just some kind of ladies man. Is that how it go? She just act like I'm some kind of player or something. And I'm just trying to sing the song. You know I like that song.
I don't know.
Be your own wife. So regardless of what detailing y'all are painting, whatever picture she's trying to paint, we have made it up to the Lido deck. We're actually getting ready to do a group TikTok, so make sure y'all stay tuned because this will be pretty interesting. All right, now before we get over and do this TikTok challenge, we did take a stop at Tomodoro's. Now I was supposed to come here this morning, but that hour jumping ahead early kind of got me, so I missed out. They were closed. We were able to catch up to them this time. And at Tomodoro's, this is one of the new restaurants here on the Carnival Italian ships. Now, if you're a Blue Iguana fan, it's in the same place that it would be on a regular Carnival ship, right across from Guy's Burger. But they do have Italian options. And then also, if you're still a Blue Iguana fan, you can still get your Mexican tacos and burritos here. So right now, I got the meatball. Well, it was the meatball, but it's actually pretty good. So give it a try. So we arrived at the Melanin group TikTok. Look like it's all women back there. I'm not gonna take parts of it. I'm gonna sit on the sideline and watch. I'm gonna let them have it. But if there's some more men that jump in, I'll get in there. They are getting coordinated. It's like a TikTok rehearsal. I ain't never seen that before, but here we go. They just the last practice round they got.
5, 6, 7, 8. No way. No way. Okay, perfect. Let's do it. We're gonna go 1, 2, roll. Okay.